Hi, this is Sumit, and I have an interesting business model. One of my students already did it, and I think you can also do. Let's explore if we can export Indian grains like food products like millets, rice, all these things we can export in the global market because the demand is like anything, and we should be able to do it. Now, let's understand the whole step-by-step method that even if you are working professional, even if you are employed or you're busy, how you can start an e-commerce business which can run in autopilot and you can start doing the sales in bulk quantity and make some serious profits out of it. So here, this is the plug and play e-commerce export business of cereals and food grains from India. There are many things which we can export from India, whether it is wheat flour or grains or dalia or whatever you see, rice, everyone needs that. The whole world's staple food is somewhere around these cereals only, right? Flour and all these things, whatever you are seeing, basmati rice, and these things have got demand, pulses and grains. I know for one fact that these products we can always sell in bulk quantity and make great amount of profits. India is one of the largest exporter of agricultural products like this. And in the next 2 to 3 years, if you work properly with me, you will make crores of rupees of profits in this in a month-on-month basis I'm talking about. Let me show you some stats and facts. I'm just simply searching the right rice, like if you see 10,000 people bought at $6, that means $60,000 value of sales of rice somebody did on Amazon. This is definitely private brand, right? 3,000 sales, 2,000 sales, 2,000 sales, black rice. And they're selling at a crazy amount that is like $7. And the cost I can get you this rice is about 120, 130 rupees kg. Basmati rice, for example, this is 1 kg basmati rice and they're selling at $14. And you know the price of basmati rice, correct? So what I'm showing you, this is very simple. We can actually sell all these products to the international market using e-commerce marketplaces. I'll set up the whole store for you, and I will also give you the mentorship and training. We'll give you the suppliers contact so you can simply list those products. And I'm showing you different sites like noon.com. This is of Dubai, and this is Rakuten Japan. This is Lazada. This is Singapore's website. And one thing is common, like everywhere the sales are happening, 9,000 sales, 5,500, 1,000 sales, 5,009, 6,000. So here, the products like these can have always great demand. You can simply get started with the plug and play e-commerce store builder, which I'll be giving you, and start doing the exports of cereals and food grains to the international market. So now here is the opportunity for you. I'm giving you 100% guarantee of the e-commerce sales. You will get the entire plug and play model where simply just list the B2B products like cereals and grains and pulses all to your e-commerce store. Learn digital marketing, learn everything that I'm showing you here. Everything will be with you for lifetime. With lifetime access, lifetime update, lifetime support, you can grow this business. Since I previously worked with in Alibaba, I have the understanding of exports and imports and also global trade. And I did my master's also in international business. So with all my experience in the past, whatever I have learned, I'm giving you the guidance. And with digital marketing, you can grow this business internationally very smoothly and easily. So this is the certification that you are going to get. 17 certifications are included. Live practical training you'll be getting, and you'll be able to build a business very fastly because I'm giving you live training support plus also recorded content. So all these things together will give you direct strategies that you can implement in the real-time e-commerce store builder. This is my own e-commerce store builder. I've got my products which are listed, about 8,000 plus products I have here. Same way, if you see my last 30 days of sales and also the lifetime of sales, everything is available here. And I'm also giving you softwares and tools that will be integrated into this ready-made plug and play e-commerce store builder. You can also design the website, customize this. It's some completely in your own hand. You don't have to, think much. Just like, add the domain and add the staff members and add the payment gateway. Fully your own e-commerce store you can build. So this ready-made store you can build and start selling. And even if you just get some 20-30 clients in the international market, you can start making good amount of profits in this because these products are always in demand. India is one of the largest exporters of grains and cereals, and you don't have to hold any inventory. Nothing you have to do, just list the products into the website, and once the person is buying from you in bulk quantity, is ordering from you or in retail also, then only you have to do the supply. But yes, in case if you want to sell on marketplaces like Amazon or other marketplaces, then you can have your own branded e-commerce store and the products that you can do. So the idea is to have a very low cost business which I can give you. If you just want mentorship, you can go for this, or you can just go for the plug and play business. I will recommend you to not even go for these franchise, but just go for this basic one, which is complete all-in-one program from my side. Here it is a ready-made business opportunity. I'm also giving complimentary data of buyers in the international market who can be your target customers. So what you have to do, just get into this ready-made plug-and-play business, run it as a successful startup. I already have previously incubated many startups and they are successful and they have raised funded, they have exited the startups. And this is how I want you to actually think, if you are a working professional, how long you will continue to do what you're doing right now. There may be commitments, financial commitments, and you're looking for getting out of that rat race, and you want that financial freedom or not. If you want, then you should be starting an e-commerce business. Think of this as a small investment you're doing, which can actually grow 100x or maybe more just by properly following on the digital marketing and the e-commerce business that I'm giving you and I'm teaching you, guiding you regularly. Okay. So this is a step-by-step method. If you follow, you will start making some profits every month, and you will also learn from other sources everywhere. So why you have to delay? Just get started with the business opportunity today. And if you have any doubts, questions, queries, you can reach out to me and my team will be happy to assist you. So I could have actually made it as a franchise opportunity, could have charged lakhs of rupees, but since I'm myself interested to grow business, so I'm giving this as a cash to cash deal. That means I'm not making any profits in this. This is just cost, which is our cost for giving the mentorship to create the sales funnel, the store builder, the software tools, and the licenses. That's all. So get started today and transform your life with e-commerce exports by IIC.